And what I have here is, actually, check it out. This is the AIMSEIZE, and it's the Home Safety Defense, but it is technically bear spray. It's tactical pepper spray gel with UV dye, and it's like a good setup. This is a very affordable option for a bear spray. It's set up. It has a quick release thing, like safety trigger right there. It does have a little thing, but what I took my little thing out to test it and I haven't put it back. But then what I also got with it, I didn't have a case for it, so I found this Frontiersman Bear Attack Deterrent. It has a belt loop right here. I'll leave links where both you can pick up the bear spray, the case. This is a very affordable option for anyone that's going to be kind of like doing some backwoods hiking, fishing, camping, bushwhacking, you name it. I recommend some bear spray anywhere you go, because potentially, you know, it could definitely get you out of a pinch, a painful pinch, might I add. So yeah, we don't want to end up like the guy in the Revenant. You know, watch that movie if you want to know what a bear can do to you. But yeah, this is something I recommend everyone carry with them. It's a quick release pull out right there. You can get it out right there. Holds it nice and tight. And this is the 9.2 fluid ounce, which is 277 milliliters. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the AIMSEIZE tactical spray and the Frontiersman. It's the Frontiersman Bear Attack Deterrent. How about that? See you all in the next video.